Yes, sis. Don't you want to see how I got this bomb crochet? If so, follow me because we about to make a new video. Get ready, y'all. Hey everybody, I'm back today for a new video, and I know y'all see these little puffs I got in, so you already know what time it is. Your girl about to do some hair, okay? So I was thinking, like, I'm tired of looking the same in quarantine. I haven't done anything with my hair, y'all. And my friends are just fine with that. Like they love my afro and all of that. So I haven't gotten any complaints, but I have a Zoom kind of meeting on Monday. So I want to look cute and do a little something. So I figured, why not try a little something different? I've been seeing the Vixen styled sew-ins for a while, but I've also seen the Vixen crochet, and I really wanted to try it with this natural hair that I just got. And so it looks super realistic. It was only $21. It's the Kinky Curls from the Janet Collection, and so I will actually put that link below for you to actually go and purchase it yourself. Very good purchase. The quality of the hair is nice. And so I wanted to try to do a little something today and see if I can change up my style a little bit, while we're still in quarantine. So let's get ready for this video. So all I'm doing is just parting around the perimeter so that you won't notice it when I pull my hair up. So you really want to braid and save that hair around the perimeter of each of these sections. So as I mentioned before, I'm making the hair around the perimeter my leave out. So you don't want this to be in the way. So you flat twist it to get that leave out of your way. So you do that around the entire perimeter. Okay, now after that leave out is out of your way, you can begin the next phase of this process, and that's the cornrowing. Now, when you're cornrowing, you want to be sure to go as close to the scalp as you can. You want to make them, really be stable, but not too tight, because you're going to be sliding that hair under your cornrow when you crochet it in. So as you go and start to braid your hair, you want to go in somewhat of a circular motion. This going in the circular motion will allow you to distribute the hair evenly throughout this process so that it'll be full in that section. So that's why I am cornrowing in a circular motion. So once you're done braiding that section, you're going to have a little bit left of an end piece. You want that end piece to be covered. So you're going to take your crochet needle and go under your hair, under that cornrow, and then take that open. It should be open when you're going under. You place your end piece into that hook. You then close the hook and pull it back out under your hair. Now you have a secure section ready for crocheting. See how that section is circular, it's tight but not too tight, and now we can begin to crochet our synthetic hair into that cornrow. Now I am prepping my hair for crocheting. So this hair comes with a interesting end piece. I think it's supposed to be so that straight end you can actually braid into your hair if you wanted to do some sort of braided style, but that's not what I'm going for. So I cut that straight piece off, and I actually cut the hair itself to make it shorter and make it resemble more of my length of hair. And so that's how I'm prepping this hair. Now it's time to crochet that hair in. So you're gonna take your hook once again with it open, with the clasp open, and go under your braid and pull that hair through and make a knot. It's that simple. Okay, so all I did is took the hair out. You see, this is my hair on the edges still, and this is the hair in the middle. So all you do is you take that, and what I like to do is actually twist mine at night with my hair. It's synthetic hair, so it's malleable, so when you wake up it will look twisted. This hair you can also not wet, but you can also heat it into a style that you want with hot water, just like you saw when I did the box braids, so it works well for that. But for now, I'm gonna show y'all how well this blends with your natural hair. See, you can take it now and put a little, I want an afro puff or something. I can take it and put it up in a pony. Here we go. Ooh. Look at this, y'all. Ow, ow. But I put into a real style when I'm done. But look, just look at the difference between my struggle puff. It's on its way, y'all. I ain't concerned. It's on its way. And the afro puff. So you can see, you know, it's a very natural style, and you can kind of play with it. And when I get done, I'll just show y'all some different styles you can probably do if you're interested. But yeah, that is how the Vixen is done, and it looks great, it feels great, it's so light. You know, I can't even tell where my hair start and this hair end, really. So it's a really, really good natural kind of look if that's what you're going for. So let's continue on. So let's try this crochet again. You take your needle, your crochet needle, and you go under the braid that you've made. Then you take the hair that you're holding and place that hair in the crochet hook. You then close the clasp and pull that hair through. Once you pull the hair through, you take the looped end and you put the loosed hair in the looped end and you pull it through, making a knot. And you do that all over until you have it full like you want it. So what you're seeing me do here is compare the other side to this side to see how much more hair I should add so that the look is even all over. I'm also careful not to add too much hair in one section. You don't want to put tension on your own natural hair. So you don't really want to put a whole bunch of this thick hair under that cornrow because you don't want to break your hair in any way. So really just use the hair sparingly and just gauge the look and fullness that you want without going overboard. Let's unbraid it. And y'all can see that when I'm actually looping, I didn't loop it a bunch of times. I didn't loop it 4 or 5 times. I'm going to wear this hair for probably a week and a half, 2 weeks. So it's not going to need to be super stable because I don't keep my hair that long. Because I like doing different things. So just know that if you want to actually keep it for like 6 weeks to all that, you want to loop it at least 4 times when you're putting it in. And so all I'm doing is showing you guys again how I take it out. As you can see, I cut it quite a bit, the hair, because I mean, it's just easier to blend that way. You can try to have this, you know, to be real long and your hair is super short, but it starts to look real suspect unless you're gonna keep it in a ponytail all the time. And you don't have to do all that. Like, see, look at this. I mean, where does the hair start and my hair end? Who knows? And so it's just not to take away from your natural look. You want to keep that natural, you know, aesthetic when you're walking in. But it's just adding pieces, adding hair, making it thicker, fuller, so that you can kind of, you know, have a little 2 steps. Let me just show y'all what it would be like out on both sides. So as you can see here, I'm just finishing up the last 2 sections, and I'm going to just walk you all through this process. And I am terrible at back camera and doing my hair without looking in the mirror. So I'm sorry that y'all didn't get the full view of that, but hopefully the first 2 sections were clear enough. And if you really need help with cornrowing or crocheting, feel free to go back to that section to listen to how to loop. And as you can see here, I realized I had forgotten to cut off those straight ends like I did with the previous 2 sections. So I'm just doing it as I go along here. So that's why you see me cutting. I'm not making that section any shorter than the other. It's just that I did not cut off those straight ends like I did in the first 2 sections. I am so happy, y'all, to have made it to this last section. So we're about to round this thing on out and get it done. And I also think that the back section, especially if you're doing this on yourself, it's important to remember your braid does not have to be perfect, because I mean, it just needs to be stable. It doesn't have to look the prettiest or any of those things. It just needs to be stable enough to support that hair looping through it. So don't worry about the fact that it's not perfect and I can't see back there well. Just give it a try. All right, now let's start to shape this hair and get it looking somewhat like an afro. And so as you're shaping, you're really just trying to make the hair even all over. So all I'm doing here is just picking it out, seeing where the straggly ends may be, and cutting them off so that it's even looking and full looking. And we are done and looking good, girl. So now I am going to, you know, let you all see a few styles that you can wear with this hair. So the first one I'm going to show you is the traditional Afro puff. I rock rough and tough with my Afro puff. I rock on with your bad self. And so all I'm doing is putting jam around the edges and making it even and cute and full. And so the puffs are something I will definitely rock on a day-to-day. And every natural girl knows the puff is what you wear 99.9% of the time. So the puff is something that, you know, if this hair wasn't able to do it, I would not rock this hair. So that's why I love this the versatility of the Vixen style crochet so much, because I'm able to put this hair up and wear it down. So now you see me rocking just the basic fro. And yeah, girl, it's cute. So what do you guys think? I love this hair. So versatile, so realistic. I just feel like it looks, you know, really full, and it looks like it's pulling out your scalp. You know, and I just feel like it's easy. It only took me, I would say, I took a break. You know, I always take a break, but I would say it took me about an hour and a half. No time at all. You see my parts weren't extra neat. They just need to be stable. This hair is so thick that, unlike crochet with some of the other hair types that are more silky, this ain't going nowhere. This thing hooks to your hair and it stays there. You ain't gotta worry about wrapping it 6-7 times because it's not going anywhere. Like it's thick hair. It's not about to slip out. You're gonna have to, you know, actually take it out the loop and pull it out. It's not gonna slip because it's nappy like your hair. It's stuck. So catch me next time for a new video, y'all. Y'all know I'll be coming back at you. And I hope you enjoyed this one today. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you have something to say, drop it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.